Store the Pesti rechargeable sprayer in its included pouch and keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or freezing temperatures. After each use, empty any remaining solution and run clean water through the sprayer until it runs clear, then remove the battery if the model allows, and let all parts air dry before stowing. Recharge the battery after cleaning so the unit is ready for the next application and to avoid deep discharge that shortens battery life. Keep the sprayer in its included pouch to protect it from dust and impacts, and place the pouch on a shelf off the floor to avoid moisture and accidental knocks. Store the unit away from heat sources and direct sunlight because ultraviolet and heat exposure degrade plastics and seals and can cause leaks. Label the pouch with the date of last use and the active ingredient applied if you maintain multiple products so you do not cross-contaminate or misapply chemicals later. If you must store the sprayer in a vehicle, keep it in the passenger compartment rather than a hot trunk, and never leave pesticide residues inside a vehicle for extended periods. The three common mistakes are storing the sprayer with residue inside, which leads to corrosion and clogged nozzles, leaving the battery discharged, which reduces battery lifespan, and placing the unit in direct sunlight or a damp area, which damages seals and electronics. To avoid residue problems, always flush the system with clean water and, when appropriate, use a mild detergent or recommended neutralizer before storing. Prevent battery failure by charging to full after cleaning and checking charge at regular intervals during long storage periods. Protect the device from environmental damage by using the provided pouch, keeping the pouch on an elevated shelf in a cool, dry spot, and avoiding garages or sheds that experience wide temperature swings. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control, equipment care, and storage. Our site helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and helps contractors find work, and we also host a discussion community where users share tips and ask questions about tools and maintenance.